Good afternoon, everybody. This is Tech20 coming to you with another video. Today we're going to be covering how conditional formatting and all kinds of formatting here. So I have two different columns here. You'll see here on the first column, this is conditionally formatted. And this column, column C, this is all formatted using your tools up top, which is like your fonts area, which is like font color, um, fill color, um, your text, size of text, your increases here, underline, bold, italicized, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is go ahead and grab Format Painter first. So we're going to use that here and this. So we're going to want to change all these cells here to black. So we're going to grab Format Painter, and you'll see that it gets the little ants running around. You click on it, it doesn't do it. Why? Because it's conditionally formatted. So what you're going to want to do is come over to conditional formatting and go ahead and click on that, and you're going to do manage rules, or if you want to clear it from everything, or you're going to do clear rules. And see how I have one cell selected, which is A4. I'm going to go ahead and either do that from the cells, the sheet, or the table. So if I do it from, let's just say that I'm going to do it from that one cell. So come back over here, you'll notice that it has been removed from that one cell, from cell A4. Okay, but however, for Format Painter, if I wanted to format all the dates back to black that were outside, that are these three dates here, I can do that. I can either come up here and do it and click on, and I want to format them to black. So I can either come over here and click on this and click here, and that will do that. You just click, hold, drag down to do that. Or if they're unadjacent to one another, if they're not all in a row, what you can do is click on Format Painter twice. And let me go ahead and escape out of that, undo that, escape out of that. And to get Format Painter to stop, you just hit escape. So I'm going to click on Format Painter here twice. It's going to get the ants going again. And 9:30, then I want to do 11:30. And see how the ants are still going. That means that format's still being painted. And on down the form. Okay, so now there is one other tool that you can use, and that is called the eraser tool. And we're going to come over here into the editing, and you'll see the clear. And this will allow you to either clear all formats, clear contents, or clear hyperlinks if there were hyperlinks in this, which there aren't. So you can actually do that, and that'll work even if it is conditionally formatted. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here, select these rows here, and then I'm going to go back over to my clear options, and I'm going to hit clear formats. And as you can see, the formats have been cleared. You'll notice that these have been changed to numbers. Everything that's stored in Excel is considered a number, even dates. So I would have to actually format these cells, which will require me to right click, format cells. This gives you a huge list of options that you can do. Right now it's on general. If I want to do it to date, then I would just go ahead and click date, pick the format that I wanted, which it's already defaulted to, and then it'll go back to those dates. Now, if I wanted to do more formatting, I would do the same thing. Scroll down to the bottom here. I would click on this row here, right click, click, I'll get format cells, and then it'll bring up this dialog box here, which you can see if I want to format that to number, general, currency. If you want to put a $sign or any kind of other sign that indicates money. Accounting, if you're doing accountings, then you also have the same symbols. You can do date, you can do time, percentage, fractions, etc. on down the line. I'll cover all those in another video later on. But if you found this content helpful, please do feel free to subscribe and like. Leave any comments that you may have, any questions or anything you want me to cover in the future. Thanks, and Tech 20 out.